Hey guys, Rob Caputo here, and here's another product review. And I'm gonna try to limit how many product reviews I do in the future because they're very lengthy, they're time consuming, and honestly, there's not a lot of ROI in it. So I'm gonna just basically help this company out. They reached out to me, they sent me a couple of samples, and it's the Smul company. So the Smul company reached out. They have this luxurious car freshener that they want to sell. They want to advertise. And I told them, I said, you know what? I'm the kind of YouTuber that's going to basically review something, and I'm going to tell you how my experiences are. You know, whether they're good, they're bad, or indifferent. So I'm going to actually open this up. I've already spent a little time with my mother, Nona Caputo, and she basically smelled a few of these scents that come in this box. It's kind of like a sampler of 3 different scents, and she picked one, and I'll tell you a little bit later in the review which one she picked. So they sent 2 of them. I gave one to her. She's got it in her car, and then we're going to open one up. So basically what this is this company, I don't know where they originate, but it's basically a bunch of car enthusiasts who want to kind of elevate the air freshener game. They're basically saying that they're very passionate about this. They're trying to make something that's very luxurious, very simple, and just basically, you know, just keep it very minimalistic. Empowered by car owners and enthusiasts, we engineered a quality product that is luxurious in design and minimalistic and practical. You know, our car air fresheners come with a holder that's easily attached to the car. It allows you to switch it on and off, right, for efficiency. And their flagship product, the black metal car diffuser, exemplifies their commitment to seamless blending style and functionality. So, and I'll show you, we'll take it out of the box, and we'll kind of break it apart, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So why don't we just get right to it? It's not going to be a long video, but so we open up the box, and it comes with a easy to install step-by-step instruction, right? Which is nice. You know, you can kind of go through that, and you know, refers back to their Facebook page or Instagram and their website. So that's nice. And then here it is. This is what it looks like in here. It's well packaged, right? You know, they're competing against other companies, kind of like you know, American Candle, you know, which is probably not the most luxurious air freshener for a car, and certainly not like the evergreen trees that we grew up with. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm going to show you that. I'm trying to get out of the screen so you can see it. So hopefully you can see that, and it's got like vents on one side that you can open and close, right? So that's what they're talking about. It's got this like protection right here, so we're gonna unwrap that, and then to open it, so you got these clips on the back side, oh, and it's magnetic, right? That's how this thing opens and closes. So that's pretty cool, right? Pretty sturdy. So if I take this off, you'll see that it's got these metal prongs back here that'll actually go into the vents themselves, right? So I've seen these before, right? I mean, some of them are plastic, some of them are metal. This looks like metal that's covered with some sort of rubber on it so it doesn't scratch your vents, because that's definitely a concern. And then it's got the placement holders for the scents, right? And I'll show you how that works. So we'll open this up, and it comes with 3 different scents. Essence, and they're all imported from the USA apparently. Right, so there's 3 scents here. This is kind of like their starter pack. Essence, which is lost scent, whatever that is. Jasmine, sage, lavender, and vanilla. Smells pretty good, sounds pretty good. Serene, violet, lotus, honey, amber wood, and tuberose. I don't even know what tuberose is, but that's that one right there. And they're resealable packs too, by the way. So you open this up, very fancy, and it's got like a resealable pack on here. Because you can theoretically use 1 or 2 of the scents, depending on how strong you want it in your car. And then the last one is cologne, which is Sicilian citrus, amber wood, sandalwood, and bergamot. So that's that one. And they have a few different scents on their website. You can, and they're all about $9, I think. So let's pull that up real quick. So scent refills, you have the cologne, the essence, the serene. Those are the three that we talked about. And then obviously the starter kit, which includes all three. You can also get cinnamon, which is spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, jasmine, and balsam. And then cherry, leather cherry, tonka bean. I'm not even sure what tonka bean is, but I'm sure they're very unique smells and all blended together. I'm sure it's very luxurious. It smells really good. So you just have to find the one that works for you. I'm curious to see what the cinnamon one smells like because I like that smell. And you know, that's basically it. So it's pretty simple, very straightforward. So let's open up the cologne and let's find out what that smells like. All right, so yeah, it definitely smells like a cologne, no question about it. But this is the Sicilian citrus and the amberwood. Kind of like a masculine smell, you know, I could definitely see someone liking that. Serene. This is, again, the violet, lotus, honey, and amberwood. Yeah, definitely a more musky smell for sure. And just to show you what these things look like, they're like little pods. Right? And there's 2 of them in each. Right? So you can see how that's set up, and it's got like the liquid inside. And then what you do is you tear off this aluminum foil that's here and don't puncture the plastic that's underneath it, and then that goes into the unit. So let's put that back until we decide which one we want to use. And then the last scent is essence. So that's called a lost scent, jasmine, sage, and lavender, and vanilla. So I like vanilla. I think a lot of people like the vanilla smell. So let's see what this smells like. Okay, yeah, I could see myself having this in the car. Yeah, definitely, very nice. You know, it's a little bit more floral, you know, maybe a little too floral for me, but you know, it's not bad. I mean, I guess out of the 3, I probably like the essence the best. So what we'll do is we'll take these out, we'll remove the aluminum foil, place it into position. So I'll show you how that works. So you see how this is set up? And I pull this apart, right? And there's like a little like membrane there. Hopefully you can see that. That holds the liquid in, but it's permeable, right? So you can get the odor. And then you place that inside of here, like that. Hopefully you can see that. So it's that simple. And then you do the same thing with the other side. Right? Open this up. And I guess in theory you could kind of mix the smells up too if you really wanted to. But I don't care to do that. Yeah. Place this back into position. Let's see how this works here. Oh, the little tabs come off at the end. There we go. And that's it. And it's ready to go. You can kind of smell it. It's not strong at all. You know, it just gives you a little bit of that odor. There's a plastic protector here too. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so it's got the name, the branding right there on the side. So you can show that or not show that depending on how you have it set up in the car. And that's basically it. So it's a very simple design. I mean, it's exactly true to their mission, which is to keep it simple, to keep it fresh, to keep it, you know, very luxurious. And, you know, that's what they're going for. So, you know, I'm curious to see how long this lasts. I think they say that it lasts 60 days with one of these, which is impressive if that'll be the case. And I told you I would tell you which one my mother picked, and she picked the cologne out of all of them. So she picked cologne, and she's got that. We originally had it set up in our house, right? So she's got these air filters in her house, and we were gonna place it on the air filter, let the air blow through it, and it'll kind of like give that scent in the house. But the house is a little too large for it. You couldn't really smell it. Maybe in the exact vicinity that it was in, it would work, but not for the entire house. So she took it and she put it in her car. So, you know, I'm curious to see how she likes it and if it lasts. So we're both gonna be testing this. So Nona Caputo and Rob Caputo are gonna be testing these Smuls. Thank you, Smul, for sending them out. I do appreciate it. I'll share this with everybody. I'll share the link down below, and I'll have a coupon code for you also, so you guys can take advantage of any coupons. And all right, and that's basically it. So nice product, great people, easy to talk to. They're very easy to communicate, and you can reach out to them through email, their website, Facebook, Instagram. So they're out there and they want to get their air fresheners out there. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.